Hello, you guys. What's up? It's Cameron. Today, I'm going to be doing Phantom Forces video, and yeah, and go check them out. Check out my other channel. It's called Crazy Cameron. It's actually really fun. I do cool stuff. And today, I'm starting another channel, and today it's going to be like gaming channel. So yeah, let's get started. Today we are playing Phantom Forces. Y'all don't know. My primary gun right now is Scar. I'm gonna go change that. Get the yeah, let's use this gun. Let's go back to menu. Our secondary is the Glock 17 grenade frag. Sorry, my brother's talking to me. Whatever my brother said, I'll do when I die. The equipment empty, of course. Knife. Okay, let's deploy. Alright. So, if y'all play Phantom Forces, tell me I'll do sometime if I'm recording, I may see y'all if y'all subscribe. But right now, go subscribe. Thanks for joining and watching my videos. I'm literally on the roof right now. I haven't even used this gun yet. Oh, this is a good gun. My brother got me to rank 16. Go get him. I don't want to do anything too overrated. Oh my god. Because then my channel could die. I don't want that to die. That's why I'm going to switch up my games when I play. I may do some Minecraft videos. But we're more of a Roblox team, basically. Because Roblox is better. We may do some, like, try not to laugh videos. Whatever's on the computer that I could do. I need to get my game on. Literally, when I start, I'm horrible. When I end, oh, it's on. Oh, team of mine. So I'm the Phantoms right now. We are losing. Oh my gosh. There's only 5 minutes left. Okay. So let's go find someone. I may have to go downstairs. Most people are on the roof. Oh, gotcha. No, gosh, this is hard. Literally, guys. And I may just go inside and start on the ground to get people, and I may have to. Maybe I'll go over there next, but my gosh, I actually like this recorder thing. I don't remember what it's called. I may put it in the description so that y'all could know. I may put it in the description. I don't know yet. Alright, I'm gonna start over here. Get someone. Someone up there? No, that's my teammate. You guys, I'm not good at gaming videos because I literally don't talk when I play games. Yes, got him. My first kill in the game. Okay, guys. I think we're the only one on this floor. No, we're not. Oh, yeah, we are. Okay, let's go upstairs now. Let's start going upstairs. Because more people are... Oh, I see someone. Oh, that's my teammate. Oh my gosh, this creeps me out when I don't get it. Oh my! I literally just like that gun, but I'll show you the gun that I usually use. That's good for me. Nope, it's not that. It's this one. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Oh, thanks Jackson for changing that. Oh, this is not the gun. It's fine. It's fine. This is not the gun that I use, but it's fine. It's a good gun. It's a good gun. And also, I want y'all to follow me on not Instagram. Why do I always say Instagram? Musical.ly, please. If y'all have it, please do it. I'm gonna put in the description. Let's go. If he dies, then. Oh my gosh! Sorry guys that I'm not really doing well in this game. I'm really, really good at it. Here, I'll show you all how many. Hold on. Before I, hold on, he's not even on the team. Wait, what? That doesn't make sense now. Alright, so it's free to go in. Alright. Most of the other team is over there, so we have to go around and go hide before they get to us. Oh, it's alright. I'm super sorry. Maybe next time I'm gonna play a game that I'm good at. So, y'all see right here. Oh, I'm sorry. Jackson's still talking to me. So my name's Cameron Miles 1, of course. I'm in rank 16. I don't know why there's one there. I didn't mean to, because Roblox, there's already Cameron Miles 26. So basically, kills 568, deaths 2,689. Because I'm not really that good at this game, but I mean, it is what it is. How is my secondary that? The heck? Here, you go to my weapon loadout. Is it the gun? Oh my gosh. I think it's the M4, right? No, it's not the M4. Alright, let's get the Remington 870. Let's just use this. It's a shotgun. This time I'm gonna go up there like I said, but And if there is anything else to talk about, y'all could comment down below. I'm not good with talking in videos. If y'all play Roblox, if y'all find me playing a game, say hi, we could play together. Say we're playing Jailbreak, you'll find me. Oh my gosh, I see someone. Oh, they ain't going anywhere. Oh gosh. This is Hogwarts. Where is he? Where the heck is he? What? Oh, let me go up there because I know a lot of people that are over there. I may die because almost their whole team's over there. See, I told you, I'm not lying. Where are we at? What, 7 minutes? Yeah, I haven't done very well in this game. Sorry if y'all are bored. The next game is probably going to be better because I'll probably just play before I actually start, just so I could be used to playing. Oh my god. So their team's over there. Die. Yes! You got him. Another kill. We lost! We lost. So let's read this. Creed may not be good, but it's not bad either. You humans. Okay, I didn't get to finish reading. You have been placed in the ghost. Alright, let's just change our gun. Wait, hold on. I think I know where we're going next. If we're going to that crane site, then I'm gonna get my sniper rifle. If we're not, then I'm gonna get a different gun. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna wait to see what highway lot. Let's just do the AK-12 for now. Yeah, let's just do the AK-12 for now. Oh, great timing. So that we didn't have to wait 15 seconds. Alright, so let's go up there. We need to get up there. We're gonna have to hide for a second because, oh. I bet you're gonna die. Yep. I knew I was gonna die. I knew it. The second that I saw them, I knew it. I may use my sniper rifle for this, because I'm looking bad right now. Let's get him real quick. Oh, it's too late. I'm literally always super late. Oh my gosh, Jackson, I don't need to shoot fast. This is why I don't like you in my videos, because you tell me what to do. Oh, I see the person who's shooting me. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. I'm doing bad. I'm sorry that I'm doing so bad. I haven't played all day. I just got back from San Antonio, so if I'm doing bad, I haven't even played at all this week, so. And it's a Saturday. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? I'm gonna have to restart my character, because, you know, I cannot even move. Are you serious? Now I can. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Maybe next time I'll use a different camera just to play. Oh, I got him. I got them. I'm not gonna win. Okay. Yeah, now he's shooting at us. Oh, I got him. Oh my gosh. They threw a grenade. Okay. Before I throw a grenade, I need to find out if they're on my team or not. Because I just saw someone on the other team. Alright, this is the best place that I go all the time, so I'm gonna go over here. Alright, I bet you they're gonna be hiding. So let's go. Oh, they're not. They're usually hiding over here. Bye, students. So I got double kill. It's a good start to this one. Oh, I knew I was gonna die. At least I got a double kill. At least it's a good start. Let me get let me get this gun, cause I'm doing bad right now. So I'm just gonna start off by sniping them. Oh my god. Jackson, this is a sniper rifle too. Oh my gosh. My brother keeps on telling me what to do. I'm maybe gonna have to stop at 14 minutes. I've been doing horrible this round. Yay, at least he died. I don't have to try to kill him. Oh my god. I need someone. This is why I hate using this gun, because we have to keep on have to reload. And it takes time. That's why I don't really use this gun that much, but it's a good gun because you get to see them better. Alright, I got that guy. He's not going anywhere. Oh my god. Okay, let's go up here. Because he's gone now. Nope, he's not. I got him. Let me drop my gun. Or he died. He just died. Okay. So, yeah. I'm not doing well right now. 14 minutes now. Alright. Well, that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I did horrible. I may have to literally play later today. But thanks for watching. Thanks for your love and support. Make sure you all subscribe, like it up, share with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.